Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're still living paycheck to paycheck? You're not alone, and it's probably not because you don't make enough money. It's because of a few hidden habits that are silently draining your finances. In this video, I'll break down 5 common money habits that keep people broke and exactly how you can fix them, starting today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for simple, practical finance advice that actually works, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The first habit is spending without tracking. Seriously, most people have no real idea where their money goes. Small purchases like your daily coffee, that food delivery order, and those forgotten subscriptions slowly bleed your bank account dry without you even noticing. The fix is simple. Track every single expense for the next 30 days. You can use an app or just a simple notebook. Once you see exactly where your money is going, you'll naturally start cutting back on the things that don't really matter to you. The second habit is lifestyle inflation. This is a sneaky one. Every time your income increases, your spending increases right along with it. A raise turns into a new phone, a bigger car, or more expensive habits, leaving you no better off financially than you were before. The fix: instead of upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your savings. The next time you earn more, commit to saving or investing at least half of that increase before you even think about spending it. The third habit is not having an emergency fund. Without a savings buffer, any unexpected expense, even a small one, can force you into debt. A car repair or a medical bill suddenly becomes a major crisis. The fix is to start small. Aim for a goal of $1,000 first. Then, slowly build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Keep this money somewhere safe and easy to access, but not so easy that you're tempted to spend it. The fourth habit is relying on credit cards to survive. Credit cards can be a great tool, but using them to cover everyday expenses because you run out of cash is a huge red flag. The fix is to use credit cards strategically. If you can't pay off the full balance each and every month, it's time to stop spending on them and focus on fixing your cash flow first. And the fifth habit is delaying investing. So many people wait until they feel ready or have enough money, but the single biggest advantage you have in investing is time. The sooner you start, the better. The fix is to start small and stay consistent. Even a small amount invested every single month can grow into a significant sum over time, all thanks to the magic of compound interest. Breaking these habits won't make you rich overnight, but they will absolutely put you on the path to financial freedom. Pick just one of these to work on today. Stay consistent, and I promise your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.